بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وبعد. This is your walkthrough of Resource 44, which is the quiz that comes after your study of lesson number 44 of our classes on the Ajurrumiya text in basic Arabic grammar. So at this time, you should have already studied lesson 44, and you should have attempted to complete this quiz on your own, which is found on page 152 of our workbooks. And you should have already checked the answer key on page number 219. Let's go over the answers together. Resource 44. أسئلة مراجعة من الدرس الرابع والأربعين. Review questions for lesson 44. السؤال الأول. The first question. قال الإمام ابن آجرروم رحمه الله في باب المفعول الذي لم يسمى فاعله. The Imam Ibn Ajurrum said in his chapter about المفعول الذي لم يسمى فاعله والمضمر ماذا? What about the مضمر, the pronoun version of this language item? A 13 B 10 C 12 or D قسماني. And of course, directly from the text, the correct answer is والمضمر 12. The مضمر is 12 different things. That's answer choice C. السؤال الثاني. The second question. أعرب ضربت بضم الضاد والتاء. ضربت. A. ضرب فعل ماض مبني على الفتح والتاء في محل رفع فاعل وعلامة رفعه الضمة الظاهرة. B. ضرب فعل ماض مبني على الفتح والتاء نائب فاعل مبني على الضم في محل رفع. C. ضرب فعل مضارع منصوب والتاء نائب فاعل مبني على الضم في محل رفع. Or D. ضرب فعل ماض مبني على السكون والتاء نائب فاعل مرفوع علامة رفعه الضمة. So obviously, ضرب is a past tense verb. So that eliminates answer choice C, which identifies it as a mudari', a present tense verb. We're left with A, B, and D. As for answer choice A, it starts out good. ضرب is فعل ماض مبني على الفتح. Okay. والتاء في محل رفع فاعل. Is it a فاعل or is it a نائب فاعل? You know it's a نائب فاعل, so it's not a فاعل. All right. Then B starts out the same way with correctness, and then والتاء نائب فاعل sounds good. مبني على الضم sounds good. في محل رفع, all of that sounds good. It seems like B should be the correct answer, but let's make sure there's something wrong with answer choice D before we pick it. D. ضرب فعل ماض مبني على السكون. Now there is an angle to say ضرب here, ضربت is مبني على السكون. That is a choice of some Arabic grammarians, so that's not necessarily wrong there. That's not what I taught in the class, and that's not how we practiced it, but it's not wrong per se. والتاء نائب فاعل sounds good as well. مرفوع, and it's مرفوع علامة رفعه الضمة. So when we say marfu', that means it's mu'rab. Is it the case that the ta here is mu'rab and it can be marfu' or mansub or majzoom? No, it is mabni. That's what makes answer choice D wrong. And so the correct answer is B. السؤال الثالث. The third question. ما هو الفاعل في قولك ضربوا؟ A. الواو. B. الضمير المستتر تقديره هم. C. الألف. Or D. لا يوجد. And the correct answer is لا يوجد. D. Remember, you're being asked for the fa'il, from the phrase ضربوا, and you've got a فعل مبني للمجهول. That means you're going to have a نائب فاعل, and you're not going to have a فاعل. لا يوجد. That's why answer choice D is correct. Otherwise, if the question was what is the نائب الفاعل, then A would have been the correct answer. السؤال الرابع, the fourth question. مثال فيه مفعول لم يسمى فاعله مبني على السكون. An example of a مفعول الذي لم يسمى فاعله, which is مبني with a sukun. A. ضرب زيد with a sukun on the del. B. ضرب الرجال. C. ضربنا. Or D. ضربوا. So A is wrong, obviously. ضرب الرجال. There's nothing there. مبني على السكون. No way to choose anything there. We have only C and D. C seems possible. ضربنا. The problem is ضربنا would be a فعل مبني. You could say على الفتح, and you could say على السكون, but it's a فعل, not a مفعول. Versus ضربوا, we have a wow in there. ضربوا. And that wow is the نائب فاعل, or the مفعول الذي لم يسمى فاعله, and it is مبني على السكون. So D is the correct answer. Now, as for questions 5 through 8, then they'll be extracted from these verses, from the opening of Surah At-Tariq. قال الله تبارك وتعالى, Allah the Blessed and Most High says, the following verses, the first 8 verses of Surah At-Tariq. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء والطارق. وما أدراك ما الطارق. النجم الثاقب. إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ. فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق. خلق من ماء دافق. يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب. إنه على رجعه لقادر. استخرج من الآيات. Locate in these verses the following language items. The example given to you with the star there, isman makhfuda. So we're looking for a makhfud ism or a majroor ism. And then we have the very first word, was-sama'i. And also, wat-tariqi. You also could choose ma'in, dafiqin, as-sulbi, wat-tara'ibi, raj'ihi. Lots of answer choices for that sample question. Let's go to السؤال الخامس, the fifth question. Let's find a فعلا مبنيا للمعلوم. And we had 3 possible answer choices. We could have chosen أدراك, فلينظر, or يخرج. Any of those 3 are مبني للمعلوم, not مبني للمجهول. السؤال السادس, the 6th question. We needed to find فعلا مجزوما, a fi'l that is majzoom. And we had only one possible answer choice, and that was فَلْيَنظُرْ. السؤال السابع, the 7th question. We needed to find فعلا مبنيا للمجهول, a fi'l that is مبني للمجهول, and there was only one answer choice. It's actually repeated twice, but there's only one possible answer, and that is خُلِقَ, in the 5th and 6th verses. السؤال الثامن والأخير, the 8th and final question. We needed to find فعلا مضارعا مرفوعا. We needed to find a present tense verb that was marfu', and there was one answer choice, and that was يخرج, in the 7th verse. والحمد لله الذي بنعمته تتم الصالحات. We thank Allah Ta'ala for allowing us to complete half of our study at this time. And I hope you've been enjoying these courses and benefiting from them. May Allah Ta'ala bless you and grant you success. It's now time to get ready for the 45th lesson of the course. Seeking the aid and assistance of Allah Ta'ala, وصل اللهم وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.